Now let's take a look at an exercise of calculating the perimeter and the circumference. We'll start with the figure on the right. The perimeter is adding all of the sides together. We'll start with the 5. Then we have a value of 2, another value of 2. We also have a missing piece here, which we'll come back to later. This value here is also equal to 2. We have a 4, a 5, and then finally a 12. To find that missing piece, we're going to take the length of 12 and we're going to subtract out 2 and 4, which are known values. This gives us a value of 6, which is the unknown piece. Now we add all of the sides together, and this is going to give us a total perimeter of 38 kilometers. Moving on to the next example, we have a radius of a circle is 5 inches, and they want us to find the circumference, which is simply a perimeter of a circle. The circumference is equal to 2 times the value of pi times the radius. In this example, we have 2 times 3.14 times 5, which gives us 31.4 inches. Finally, the perimeter of the last figure, we have a square and a half circle. We're going to use the concept of the perimeter to add all of the different sides of the square together. Since it's a square, all of the sides are going to be equal to 6. And then we have this piece here, which is a half circle or a semicircle. One of the things we'll have to keep in mind when finding the circumference of this is because it's a half circle, we'll want to make sure we divide by 2 to get that correct value of the half circle. Okay, circumference is going to be equal to 2 times the value of pi times the radius divided by 2 for the half circle. That's going to give us a total value of 9.42. Now we're going to add that value in with our perimeter. So this becomes 18 plus 9.42, which is 27.42 feet. If this was helpful to you, like and subscribe to my channel for more content.